So we have 24 blue socks and 24 red socks are lying in a drawer in a dark room. What's the minimum number of socks you need to pull out of the drawer so you have at least 2 matching socks? So I've known the solution to this problem for quite a while. I don't remember when I encountered it, but I remember thinking through it, and I remember now when I read it, how I thought through it. So I spent the last few weeks trying to figure out how could I show someone who didn't know, who hasn't thought this through already. What I decided was I could make a little chart of all the possible things that could happen when I pull socks out of here. So when I pull out the first sock, I will either pull out a red sock or a blue sock. Okay, and after that, I know I'm not done yet because I only have one sock, so let's pull again. Now notice this doesn't have anything to do with probability, even though this is sometimes what we use to represent probabilities. This is just what could happen. So after I pull out a red sock, I could pull out a second red sock. So I'd be up here with 2 reds, or I could pull out a blue sock, I'd be at red-blue. Down on the bottom side, I could be at blue-red or blue-blue. Now notice there are some places here where I'm not at a pair yet. In fact, half of the places I don't have a pair yet. So I'm going to go one more time on each of these, even though I don't necessarily need it for each of them. Again, I'll label the tops reds and the bottoms blues. Now that I've pulled 3 random socks out, 3 socks just of any old color, I could be at red, red, red. That would for sure be done. I could be at, what's this, red, red, blue. I'd have a pair of red socks. I could be at red, blue, red. I'd have a pair of red socks. I could be at red, blue, blue. I'd have a pair of blue socks. Or coming down to the bottom group, I could be at blue, red, red. I'd have a pair of red socks. I could be at blue, red, blue. I'd have a pair of blue socks. I could be at blue, blue, red. I'd have a pair of blue socks. And finally, I could be at blue, blue, blue. I'd have a pair of blue socks. So after 2 pulls, I don't quite have enough to guarantee myself a pair of socks. But if I pull out a third one, no matter what order and what combinations I end up with, I'll definitely have a pair. So 3 pulls is enough to ensure that I have a pair of matching socks.